little bit of grease to put on there before I put it back in the machine. Just a bit of Vaseline. So I've got that tube, the breather tube, battery breather tube connected before the terminals, before it's even going in really. It can be a bit fiddly to do that, sometimes you don't want to go. Don't want to go in, so you've got to make sure that stays connected, don't pull it off, sort of thing. So I'm going to put the battery terminals back on the way they came off, so positive on first. And it's been a week, I know where everything is because I left it all ready to go back. So the charged battery it's got the pipe on, the 2 terminals and the strap. I'll pop this back on. So the way I put this back on is to line up that tab. There's a tab there. It goes in the hole there, but it's broken on this one. You just locate it. And then it goes in. Okay, next I've got to make sure we're in neutral. And the neutral light's on. You're not really supposed to singularly trust in that. But we will trust in it for today. Okay, I want to remove the spark plug. I'll remove the spark plug cap and find a tool to do this. Okay, tool I've got is this box socket. The holes are for the Tommy bar that I've got in my hand here, so it pops over there. So you should be able to quickly whip that off. We'll inspect the spark plug. This wasn't really running very well when I put it up, so I'm not expecting it to run at all. It don't look too bad really. Have a closer look. Anyway, what I want to do is a compression test. So I'll get my compression test kit, which isn't ready, so I'm going to just put that in a couple of threads. A little bit more information about the box socket. I don't know the size across, which is not very useful for anybody, but it's the general shape of the tool. They still sell these at the tool shop. You know, I mean, when I say tool shop, I don't mean like lathes and mills and stuff. I mean actually where you go buy a screwdriver off the shelf. And this is a lever bar, Tommy bar they call it, and it fits in there like that. You can use an old screwdriver if you like. Anyway, so just because take you over to have a look at the recess there. It's just useful to use that shape tool. So here's my trusty compression testing kit. It comes with this hose, there's various adapters and a dial. I've made previous videos about it. It never hurts to make another video. Alright, what I need to do is find threads similar to that. I'll speak up in a minute. So connected is the dial via the rubber tube in the spark plug hole. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to run the starter motor over, and hopefully the dial is going to go up and stay there. I'm expecting it to go up and come down slowly because I think the head is coked up because it did a lot of first gear work. And it might be alright. That's why I'm going to do the test. Now when you do these, you're supposed to keep the throttle wide open at maximum effect. So I'm going to find my start button. Let's have a look. Well, it should start on that, shouldn't it? It's nearly 150 and it's not moving. It's only a Suzuki GN, I weren't expecting anything over 150. Right, so there's a little button on this. There's a little button. We can eject that. Just oops, I'll replace the spark plug. I won't do anything fancy like throwing fuel down there. Now we're going to make sure that the switch is on run. That's off. That's run. I'm hoping. Pretty dead, isn't it? I wonder what the condition of the fuel is like in here. Oops. So I'm just playing with the throttle really. Don't want to go, does it? This is going to need investigation. I wonder if we got to choke up for off or down for on. It's doing the head in, that is, you know. I think we've got a dirty spark plug. It's definitely down. Oh. Let's clean that spark plug. Just going to clean it with a toothbrush. It is a bit cokey, isn't it? Don't look any different now under there. Not a lot of difference. It's worse. Keep fiddling around to find the choke. I'm going to put some more petrol in it. So not a runner this time, so there's going to be another video in there. Thanks for watching.